Good morning, fellow class. We're gonna be learning about climate and weather under our geography today. I hope you are all well. As you know, Mr. T. Mahule. Okay, we're gonna be talking about the high and low pressure cells. High pressure cell is that one of high pressure? Is that one of Kalahari High, South Indian high pressure cell, South Atlantic high pressure cell? Okay, then as well as the low pressure cell. That one that results in mid-latitude cyclones. I hope we are all on the same page, right? Okay. Then under the high pressure cell, we're having air that is subsiding. As you all know, that there's no master of pronunciation, right? Okay. Somebody else gonna spell it in different way, gonna pronounce it in different way. Mean to say. Also, we have got under low pressure cell, we've got the air that is rising. Rising means going up, going from low level to the high level. Also under the high pressure cell, we've got the air that is dropping, going from the high to the lowest. Okay, then let's check the second point under both high pressure cell and low pressure cell. Okay, the air under the high pressure cell, the air is at the center, while least in under the low pressure cell converges at the center. We're gonna get getting details to this one later. Okay, then let's simply check the precipitation that is resulting from the high pressure cell and low pressure cell. Okay, under the high pressure cell, there's no cloud formation, which means there's gonna be no rainfall that will result from this high pressure cell, right? Which means under the high pressure cell, there's no dense air. We all know that dense air is that one. Means to say there's a dense air. Dense air, we all know that is that one air which cannot rise. Remember, the air that rises results in cloud formation and later will be resulting in a rainfall, all of sorts, all those kinds of precipitations. Okay, then under the low pressure cell, the clouds form and precipitation occur. When we talk about the precipitation, we are simply talking about the clouds, rain, heavy winds, storms, whatsoever. We can mention them. There are so many, I think few of them. Then under the high pressure cell, we are not considering the isobar value. Isobar is the isobaric value is the measure of wind pressure, or simply an air pressure. Yeah, an air pressure in geography is an isobar. You've got the lines of isobars, those ones that are around a certain pressure cell, might be high pressure cell or low pressure cell. Then under the high pressure cell, isobar value increases towards the center of the high pressure cell, which means the pressure increases towards the center, while the center is at the lower point. Okay, and at the high there in the sky, the pressure is low. Remember, we have stated that high pressure cell consists of air that is descending, while the low pressure cell consists of that one consists of that one that is rising. Okay, while the high pressure cell descends. Okay, let's carry on. The isobaric value under the low pressure cell decreases towards the center of the low pressure, which means decreases when going down, but then when we go to heights like, let's say 20 meters upwards ongoing, the air pressure starts to increase from the ground up until to the skies, right? Yes, that's why is because of the air rises from the low to the highest, which means at the highest, that's where there is more traffic of air. Are we all together? All right, let's check the results of these two pressure cells. The high pressure cell, let's firstly check the high pressure cell. High pressure cell, the results. High pressure cell results in South Atlantic cyclone. What is a cyclone? We're gonna get to this one later as well. Then South Atlantic cyclone occurs in the southern Atlantic Ocean. Near South Africa. Hence, South Africa is at the lowest of Africa. It's the last country. Basically, Africa is a continent as a whole. That's where the South Atlantic cyclone occurs, moving towards the center of Africa. Secondly, South Indian cyclone occurs in the South Indian Ocean, moving from the right hand side to the left hand side of Africa. Okay, this Indian cyclone consists of heavy air. We're not talking about the heavy, we're simply talking about the more dense air, the one that cannot rise. And in the low pressure cell, if we have coastal low, the one that occurs next to almost somewhere at Cape Town, like tropical cyclones and mid-latitude cyclones. Tropical cyclones and mid-latitude cyclones are those ones that occurs during winter. Class, I think we are done for the day. Any questions, please? Okay, no question. We may finish our session now. Thank you for participating in our daily class today. Let's see each other tomorrow, same place, same time. Thank you.